Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to send emails in Gmail. Now it's quite simple. All you have to do is open up your Gmail account on your web page, and the next thing you're going to do is you compose by clicking on compose, and then you have this option for two. Now going over to this field, what you do is that you type the email address of the person you want to send the email to. You can also add multiple recipients by separating their email addresses with commas. Now you can then add a subject line. What is the email about? Type in what the email is about. Then don't forget to type a concise and informative subject line that summarizes the purpose of your email. Then you write your email. I already have an email written up here. So let us say my subject is contact info, for example. And then after that, next thing you're going to do is, after writing a message in the body of the email, you can use formatting options like bold, italics, underline to make your message more. These are the formatting options here to make your message more. Okay, to make your messages more visually appealing, you can also add images or attachments. This is for image. Insert photos. This is for, you can see emojis. You can see link here. For attach files, is for the formatting options. Click on this, you have all the formatting options here, and then you can also toggle confidential mode to make it confidential. You can insert signature here by clicking on this. Also have more options like default to post, label, plain text mode, print, check spelling, instead of the time to meet. All of this you can do that. So once you're through with everything, you just click on send to send your email. So as you can see, I didn't specify recipients. You must have at least one recipient for you can send an email. Now let me give you some additional tips. Make sure you prepare your email before sending it, and consider using the BCC field to send copies of your email to other people without revealing their email address. And what do I mean? Of your recipients, this BCC means that these people, whoever you put in the BCC list or field, gets copies of the emails of the email you sent, but without other people knowing that they received copies. So without revealing the email address to each other, use this. But if you want to schedule emails, that you want to send emails that you don't mind people knowing that they have been received by others, you click on 60 to get copies of the email. So it's for the original recipients. Now you can also schedule emails to be sent at a later date by clicking the schedule send button. So if you want to schedule it to be sent, you can click on that later. I will be done in another video. Then you can also use Gmail's templates to quickly create and send emails. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this we put up every day.